Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Facebook, go to the bottom right on your menu, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and click on the first option, Settings. Once you're here, you want to scroll down until you see Your Information. So you can see Your Information, and click on Download Your Information. Then click on Continue. Then you want to click on Download on Transfer Information. Select the account and then click on specific types of information. And you have messages. Just click on Messages, click on Next. You can download to device or transfer to destination. Choose whatever you want. Click on Next. And then click on Create Files, and then it's going to notify you on your email you used to create Facebook that it is done, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.